What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create these AI videos with talking objects or fruits into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google and type Google Flow, okay? Click into the first result from Google Labs. Here is the flow. Here, the next wave of storytelling happens with VO. Click on create with flow. Google gonna request you to create an account, no problem, you can log in with your Gmail. Then click on new project, and we're gonna need to separate this video in two parts, okay? The first one gonna be the part to create the image. Pause the video and copy this prompt to create the image, okay? And remember to change this option and this option right here, the object or fruit and the feeling, for example, anger, happy, excited, something like this. Copy this prompt. I'm gonna try to leave the prompts into the comment section below, so nothing to worry. Place the prompt right here. Instead of text to video, we're gonna click on create image. Type OK. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Let me change again. Let's hit try. Normally some errors happens, nothing to worry, just reload the page, wait a moment and get your result. I think this one looks great. Now download this image, okay, this is very important. Now copy this prompt right here. Once again, I'm gonna keep the prompt into the comment section below, or you can pause the video to copy the prompt. And right here, you're gonna say what you want that the fruit says, okay? Go back to Google Flow, place the prompt, instead of create image, we're gonna change frame to video. This is important. Click into this plus button, upload the image that you just have downloaded. Here is the image. Wait while the image uploads. Here is the image. Here is the prompt. Type OK. And let's wait for the result. There is some credits that you can renew every month or upgrade to have more, but I'm gonna keep all for free. This is maybe the 4th or 5th of the ones that I'm creating only today, so it's okay to do this for some art purpose in the case that you don't do much arts per month, okay? Or just for fun. Once again, I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to generate the art. I prefer this way to make things more real. We are in the midway, so we are going on. And here is the result. Looks fancy, right? Okay, here is the video, and you can download it into upscale in the case that you want, or into the original size in the case that you want as well. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!